This question. Amar and Akbar simultaneously start running around a circular track of length 360 meters from the same point but in opposite directions. Now, speed of Amar and Akbar are 15 and 9 meter per second respectively. After they meet for the first time, both of them reverse their directions and change their speeds too and run towards the starting point. Which of the following is true? So the case is Amar and Akbar are running on a circular track and they are starting from the same point but running in the opposite direction. So Amar is running with a speed of 15 meter per second and Akbar is running in opposite direction with a speed of 9 meter per second. And the length of this track is given as 360 meters. Now, the meeting time or the time taken by them to meet would be the distance between them or the distance that has to be covered by both is 360 meters, that is track length, and it would be covered by their relative speed, and relative speed in this case would be in 1 second Amar is covering 15 meters and Akbar is covering 9 meters. So relatively they are covering 15 plus 9, that is 24 meters per second. So the time taken by them to meet would be how much? It get cancelled by 8 3 times. This is 45. So meeting time is 15 seconds. So they would meet for the first time after 15 seconds. So in 15 seconds, distance travelled by Amar would be 15 into 15, that is 225 meters, and distance travelled by Akbar would be 9 into 15 seconds, that is 135 meters. Sum of both these distances is indeed 360. Now Amar has covered 225 meter, which is in the clockwise direction. So the meeting would take place here. So this is their first meeting. And when the first meeting happens, Amar would be traveling in this direction and Akbar would be going in this direction. Akbar has covered how much? 135 meters of distance and Amar has covered 225 meters of the distance. But it is given that after they meet for the first time, both of them reverses their direction. And now after meeting, what happens? That Amar reverses his direction. So after meeting, Amar now will travel in this direction, that is anti-clockwise, and Akbar will travel in this direction, and their speeds also change. So Akbar is now running with a speed of 15 meter per second, and Amar now running with a speed of 9 meter per second. Now after meeting, this is scenario after meeting, time taken by Amar to reach at starting point. So this is time taken by Amar to reach at starting point. To reach at starting point, he has to cover how much? 225 meters. So 225 meters. He has to cover 225 meters with a speed of 9. So it will take him 25 seconds to do so. Now time taken by Akbar in reaching the starting point, he has to cover 135 meters. 135 meters has to cover with a speed of 15. So it will take 9 seconds to reach the starting point. Now I have all the information. Now let's check the options. Option A, Akbar returns to the starting point 6 seconds before Amar returns. But Akbar returns, the difference between the timing or time taken by Amar and Akbar here is 16 seconds. So this option is incorrect because Akbar returns to the starting point 16 seconds before Amar. Option B, Amar returns to the starting point 5 seconds before Akbar. No, Akbar is reaching first. So this option is also incorrect. Akbar returns to the starting point 12 seconds before Amar returns. This is also incorrect because Akbar returns 16 seconds before. So this is also incorrect. Correct answer in this case is option D, that Akbar returns to the starting point 16 seconds before Amar returns. So the correct answer is option D.